Okay, we're going to put together the chair now. So there's the chair back, there's the chair seat, either side, and we're going to do it using sellotape, which I found really, really useful for this. And this basically holds the pieces in place. So I'm going to start off by ensuring that I've got everything that I need to hand. It's a little bit fiddly this, but the sellotape technique really, really helps. So I'm going to place the chair in situ, and in fact that needs a little bit, where they have been connected to the board, sometimes it can be a little bit more proud than before. It doesn't take 2 ticks just to get rid of those slight edges to make sure that there's more of a flat grip. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to place it where I want it to be first. And you can use something like a ruler to ensure that they're absolutely level, although your eye tends to be pretty good at this. I'm going to get a piece of sellotape and I'm going to stick the underside legs down so that they're in place. And do this quite quickly. I'll slide that out. Now I'm going to put glue either side, and again you can afford to be generous because it does sand away, and pop that in place where it's going to sit there. And I'm just going to use the scalpel, the craft knife. I use a little bit more tape to hold it in place, and then I'm going to use glue on either side of the chair seat so that the chair seat sits comfortably. There we go. And can you see that that leg's slightly moving? So what I'm going to do is just hold it in place with clips. And these are rubber tipped clothes pegs. And this one, there we go. Just using the tip this time. And you leave that to dry for about half an hour and then rub the excess glue away. And you can paint it obviously beforehand or afterwards, totally up to you. I'm going to leave mine natural because I quite like the wood effect for the door. And I like the fact it looks a little bit dusty and grimy.